Okay, so for today's video, I want to be sharpening this Naru Nikiri. It's a hand forged knife that I bought from the Perfection store. So this is in blue number 2. Like once again, kind of like the most of my other knives. This is basically the main bevel that you would need to sharpen. So not sharpen, but grind down whenever you need to redo the geometry. But usually the first few sharpenings you don't really have to. It's still pretty decently sharp right now, but I am gonna dull this on first the titanium plate. Do a little bit on glass. It's my CDBN stone. I don't actually know what angle this was because it might be a little bit hard to see, but it has a little bit of a curve like this instead of being flat. But when I have this Sharpo angle finder, as far as I tried it out, it was roughly above 17 degrees but under 20. Most of this part isn't actually cutting edge, so I don't actually have to sharpen this. It's basically up to here. So I do want to center this as much as I can. I'm gonna do without diamond stones this time. So I'm gonna do the Chosera and then 400 and then the Chosera 800. And technically it should be possible with the blue number 2. We'll try and make it like roughly 18.5 degrees. So right now it's roughly about 18.5 and 18.55. So it's close enough. Eighteen degrees is actually 18.5 is actually pretty almost pretty dead on. not a very big burr, but with a paper towel you can feel it drag a little bit. In general, that's what you want. You don't really want an actual big burr. You might not have dulled it enough. Even though the burr is there, it's the burr is actually even smaller than when I did it on the other side. But I do want to make sure it's roughly the same amount. Because technically I can just start stropping back and forth, but this is I mean, it's, how do you say this? If I just keep having one side being sharpened more, unless obviously if the burr's even, it's more likely it's the grind, especially when you're first sharpening it. But when you continue to sharpen it, it's better to have it both sides as even as possible, because you will also turn out to be like slightly asymmetrical because you'll be sharpening this side much more than the other side. Much better. So right now I have gotten the burr from both sides. I'm gonna strop it down from 10 on each side down to 1. So it was 10 on each side. I'm gonna do 5 on each side. I did 6, so I'm gonna do the 6 on the other side. Do down to 3. We'll do 1s now. It should feel pretty smooth. 400 grit. The Chosera 800. Same thing, I don't really need, because I've done most of the sharpening on the 400, I don't really have to redo it. So I'm basically right now just refining the scratch pattern. I'm sorry people can hear people yelling outside. Last one. And this is part of my fault that clamped down on it too hard. Now it's like almost permanently spread apart. But when it's tight, it is enough with low pressure that it won't move too much or at all. Didn't really move with this, so it was pretty good. Learning from my mistakes, because when I was first doing the sharpenings on the harder steels, I used a lot of pressure, which also bent this outward as well. So I'm gonna redo this, and I am actually gonna dull this even more than I just did. So for a second part, I want to dull this even more.